That's so sick.
Watch me cut this motherfucking tree down.
Yeah, in like
Can
2
you?
seconds, not even.
What?
Takes like one thing.
Do it.
Oh no, you have to like scroll on it, and it'll say cut down a tree. Same thing with the axe. Do the same thing. What's happening?
Are you doing it?
You not know how to do it?
I did it.
The zombie right next to you. Kill the zombie.
Kill the zombie.
Zombie
Oh, he
behind
did it. He did it.
Oh.
Oh!
That was sick.
Yo, can I see it? Let me see that thing. I've never seen that.
See it?
Yeah. It's so
A
epic.
single plastic water bottle fills it up with fuel.
Yeah, I got it.
That is so
Another zombie.
epic.
Pick it up. There's another zombie somewhere. Just heard it.
Turn this shit off. What is it?
Go in front of hospital. I think I just heard it over here. Oh, there's a zombie right here in front of hospital.
Oh, hell
It
yeah.
did go down.
Man, zombie.
Yes.
Zombies. Go collect zombies.
I want to kill somebody with this. I'll get him right now.
Fuck, I rubber banded.
He's going upstairs.
Is he?
He's running. Shoot him, bro. Shoot him.
Shoot him?
Shoot him.
Fuck, did I hit him? That
Probably
seemed
not.
like it was dead on.
No, nigga.
Fucking chainsaw lost gas.
Where'd he go?
Cause you suck.
Where'd he go?
We're at train tracks behind someone.
Okay.
Oh shoot, there's a guy with a talon. Green talon. It's a sewing factory.
Round him up.
Kill the guy. Kill the guy.
With the chainsaw?
Yeah.
Nice.
I don't know where the other guy went. He's in the room on the sign. Okay, I don't know where the other guy went though.
Oh shit.
Lost the other guy. Wow, what condition was it?
Pristine, so, but I added.
Woo!
I even
That's
blew up
awesome.
the gas station too. I think.
Fire's still
He
going.
didn't.
Yeah, he blew up the fire station too.
Maybe I only blew up the fire station. Go
check
check.
it
Let's go,
Because I
yellow.
put bullets in there too. The bullets might have.
Ah!
The bullets
Ah.
just popped.
It's not there. Gas can's gone.
Gas can's gone.
Or whatever it was in there.
The bullets still in there.
Yeah. I think they're ruined.
Oh, you can hear them going off.
Yeah, they pop.
Yep.
Nice.
They sound different because I think they're
That's pretty epic. Got that on
308, so they sound different.
Holy shit.
Kill him.
It's fucking zombies. Fuck! I lost them.
Dude, we gotta get out of here. What are you doing?
Oh, oh shit! Yo, I lost my 30 bag in there. Fuck. Oh! Holy
Go into the hospital.
shit. Nah, I'm
Holy
going here. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go! Ah! No! No! Oh shit, bro! I'm gonna die, bro! I'm gonna die! No! Ah! No, fuck. Yo, you better give me the saline, bro.
I will.
Ah! Bring him to me! Bring him to me. Holy shit.
Holy fuck. Stand there in
Yo.
the middle of them. I'll take a screenshot.
Holy crap, bro. Holy shit. Yo, this fucking horde. That's why you need a chainsaw.
Holy shit.
Uh.
There's like 20 zombies.
You have to check the PD, man. That's you?
Nope.
The PD.
PD.
Singing Mario.
It's on the main road.
Yo. Yo, what's up, bro?
Right away, right after you, like, after I start trying to talk to you, you guys gonna run up to me and shoot me?
No. Let's put the weapon away, dude. We're friendly.
You ran up to me with your gun out, man. You scared.
Alright, my friend's a little hostile, I'm sorry.
Everybody with my gun.
I put my hands up. I submit. You tie me up. Tie me up. Tie me up.
No.
Good.
I'm
No, I
sorry.
got handcuffs on me.
Alright, I just gotta see what you got now. Ooh, MP5 and a PM73 mag. Didn't you need that?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, I found all that stuff in that police station right there. There's like way more that I can't carry, man. You ain't gotta rob me. There's like 3 more MP5 mags inside.
The PM73.
I blind you.
PM73 is all I'm worried
Steal my I thought you stole my hat for a second. I was like, whoa, guy.
Alright, no, I don't need your shit.
About to get mad.
So tell me,
That's pretty sweet though, right?
you wanna...
Right?
Yeah? Chainsaw?
Say hello to my little friend.
Hey, you ever seen,
Can I struggle out of these handcuffs?
have you seen any of these new weapons in the update?
Do I have a weapon? I don't have
Have you ever seen Scarface?
Have you ever seen the new weapons in the update?
Have you ever seen
I don't have a weapon, man. You looked at me.
Hey, stand up, man. Stand up.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand
Yeah,
up.
yeah. Look.
Oh,
Look.
there's another guy behind you. Look, there's a guy. Guy right there behind you. I swear to God. He ran behind the fence. I see his feet. You see his feet? Yeah, you saw his feet.
Hey, buddy.
Should I follow you?
Yo, he had a PM73. I fucking got him.
Help me, please.
Nice. I heard one shot.
What's that noise?
He shot at me. He shot at me. Was he your friend or what? Was he your friend? I'm bleeding. I'm gray now. Look what you did.
I'm alone. I don't have my. He's not my friend. Not my friend.
Why'd you
man.
try to kill me,
Not my
son?
friend. I don't know that guy. I don't
He
even
had
know
a
that guy.
PMC3 mag.
I got a wife, man. I got a wife and kid. Family to
You know what? I don't know if I trust this guy or not, Skills.
I trust him.
You know, I kind of do, because you kind of saved my back right there.
Yeah. Nah, you saved us there. You
There.
had a gun.
Give you I'll give you a chance. You break out of that. That's freaking rope. Go fast now.
Go.
Don't break out of that
We don't get shot.
now. You got a freaking PM73. I'm taking that shit. He shot at me. Man, fucking shot at me.
Going back.
Watch that guy.
There's another PM73 in here.
Breaking out.
Yo, I need a knife. In the back room. In the first floor. Where is he? Where is this guy?
Free. Would you kill that guy?
You a cop? Why'd I kill that guy? He almost killed me. Nah, you don't have to go prone for that. Appreciate you, man. I want to thank you for that. So,
No. Can I team up with you guys?
yeah. For now. For now you can. You have to fight. Oh.
You asshole.
Yo, hello.
There's somebody back.
How am I a bastard?
I'm a police officer. I'm a police
How am I a
officer, man.
bastard?
You can trust me. You can put your hands up.
Just calm
me. Don't resist.
Yeah.
Don't resist, man. Put your hands up. You're trying to fight.
Don't make me do it again.
Citizen of risking arrest. Let me fight him. I got him. Let me fight him out. I gotta fight it out.
You got him?
Please. This is a civil matter.
You got him! Stay alive! Son of a bitch.
Oh!
Yo, I got shot at! Skills!
Where are you?
Oh, on the back door of the PD. Back door of the
Coming.
PD. Guy with a sporter or something. Or a Peter. Hurry up, man. Hurry up.
I'm here.
Got all blue.
Where is he?
What happened?
Becca, he's like in the cement wall.
Oh shit. Dev, you're down.
I'm unconscious. I'm unconscious, man. If you could bandage me or something, that'd be awesome. Tell the guy to bandage me.
He's dead.
No. There's another guy. The first guy, he was cool.
He's dead.
He's dead now? Oh, shit.
Dev, if I get killed bandaging you, man.
Suck up behind me with a fucking trumpet or something.
Yeah, he shot at me too.
Did you bandage me? Once you bandage me, just run.
I bandaged you.
Try to run and watch my body from like the roof of the hospital or something.
Fuck. He's here. Crazy.
Careful, bro. Man, you should have just put saline in me. I would have got up. Fuck, I just forgot.
I'm shooting at him.
You found him?
Yeah.
Fucking Christ, bro.
Fucker shot me.
Still unconscious. Don't die, man. Get him. You got a trumpet, huh? Oh, back up. Holy.
Can't get out here. He's in front of the church.
I'm really gray. Oh,
Want
man.
to regroup then?
I'm going to the coast, man.
Okay, I'll regroup with you over there.
Oh my god, I've never been this gray before.
Okay, where
Yo,
are
I
you?
need. Oh shit, I got a zombie behind me. I need help.
Where are you? Just run.
I'm at the train track.
I'm past the train tracks. Come to the coast.
I'm behind you, I'm behind
Okay.
you.
I don't want to shoot.
I know. You have an axe?
Yeah.
Kill him. I'm right behind you. This zombie hits me once, bro. I'm done. I don't know if it's behind me still.
No, it's not.
It's not?
No. Yeah, it is. It's right here.
Yeah, I gotta take out that motherfucker. I'm like really gray.
He's coming. He's like locked on you. No, he's after me now. There's two of them. Fuck.
We get in the house, man. I'm gray to the point where I'm. I die. Fucking chainsaw still pers. Did you kill him?
Yeah, there was two of them. I'm bleeding.
Get in here. Okay. Got bandages, right?
Yeah.
Holy crap, bro. You don't know how gray I am.
Looks like everything's ruined.
Oh, yeah, all the water bottles and everything. Some sport animals. Oh, that chainsaw still pristine. That's all I care about. I need like 2 saline.
What the fuck just happened?
It's up and on my ruin shit.
You know, across the street from the church?
Yeah.
That's the last place he's running. There was a zombie after him.
Oh, really? How good is that? Sons of bitches, man.
Where are you?
I'm in back of the sewing factory and I'll be behind the hospital right now. I'll go back to the dead bodies. Hopefully you think he's
I don't know.
there? I'm gonna go over there. Go check on it.
I'm in front of the hospital.
Still dead.
I'm at the bodies.
Oh shit! PD. Came out with me with an axe. Killed him. I killed him.
Alright.
Fuck, bro. Get in the PD and watch my back. I got a bandage.
Inside.
I'm on the first floor in the back room.
That was him.
Bandage. That was him?
Yeah.
I guess he lost ammo, right?
Yeah, he didn't have any ammo.
Motherfucker came in with an axe. Not his ass.
He grabbed my UK assault vest.
Oh yeah. Dude, you hear the macro? Bro.
Yeah, that was my.
Chain
That,
gun?
I dropped all that shit.
Fuck.
The fuck?
Need a knife. Need to eat these.
I got a knife.
Oh fuck! Drop it. Cover me.
It's on the ground.
Is it ruined? Oh no, it's good. Cover me. You sure this is the guy, right?
Yeah, it is. I know it's him.
Alright. This one back.
I don't know where his fucking trumpet went though.
There's a trumpet back over in the back room. Come on.
Nice.
Come here.
Yeah, he took this guy's PM73.
I can't carve up
It's old, man.
this spot. Let's do the other one. There's a back one over there. The fuck is that? Oh, the zombie on the other side of the wall. I'm outside. I'm just getting the other bodies. Man, we need more sailing.
Well, we can loot.
True.
We can loot pretty safely now.
Yeah, dude, I thought I was dead, bro.
Fuck, when you die, I think I'm gonna die. I'm like, oh fuck, here we go. I've survived all day, man.
I can't believe I'm still alive. I was gonna get karma for killing Morg. Guy came in with me with an axe. I had to put 15 bullets in him with the sporter. I was like, fuck.
I heard it, man.
Shit, that was crazy.
Fine, son.
Hey, you have a beautiful house, my friend. Oh. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Oh. Oh, watch out, man. Hi, how are you?
Hello. Hey, that guy's gonna die.
Oh, no.
Fuck him.
I'm sorry. I'm doing
I'm gonna tell you guys right now.
On the ground. On the
that
ground.
guy, if we...
That was a mistake. Get on the ground, dude.
Oh, I'm
That
sorry.
was a
I'm
mistake.
sorry.
Get on the ground. Do you want a fucking bullet through your leg? Thank you. Get on the ground.
Get in the tent, man. Get in the tent.
Let's go. Double time.
You're gonna... In the
Come on, bud.
fucking...
Get in there.
Oh, no.
Get in the tent. Get in the tent or I'm gonna leave you.
No, I'm sorry. No.
I'm done with this guy. I'm done. I'm done with you.
Does anybody need 22 rounds?
I just put handcuffs on him. We were gonna leave him.
No, we weren't.
And I wanted to
Should've
kill
said
him.
something.
He punched me in the face.
I
Oh
said
my-
I'm gonna shoot him in the ass. No one said anything.
Ah,
Everybody got up
Jesus.
and walked away.